Hi guys, do you want smooth and beautiful text for edits? If your answer is yes, you are in the right place, because today I will show you how to make smooth and beautiful text for edits. Almost all the animations that I show you in the video I use myself, so please don't forget to put like on this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's go to After Effects. First of all, you should create the text. Select a clip, click here, new, text, and write the text. Double click and write the text. Change the font and the size of the text. The first animation is fade upwards. To find it, go to effects and find fade upwards. Then you should find the moment where your character starts to say something.
Oh, what a masterpiece.
In my case it is in the beginning, so I add this effect on my text layer. Then you should click U on your keyboard, and if you drag these keys, your text will appear faster or slower.
Oh, what a masterpiece.
In my case, I need fast appear of the first word, and for other words slow. Just watch what I will do.
Oh, what a masterpiece. Oh, what a master. What a master. Oh, what a master. Master. What a master. Oh, what a masterpiece. Oh, what a masterpiece.
And that's it. This is very smooth and simple effect which will definitely improve your edits. Disappearing I will show you a little bit later. Of course you can do it using opacity, but I advise you do not touch it and just wait. Second animation is slow fade down. The principle is exactly the same. Go to effects, find slow fade on, and find the moment where your character starts to say something.
Masterpiece. Look at.
Okay, for me it will be here. Then add this effect on your text layer. Again press U and drag the keys.
Masterpiece. Look at.
But don't do this too fast, because it will look very weird and sharp.
Look.
Try something like that.
The masterpiece. The masterpiece. Look at that. Oh, what a masterpiece. Look.
And that's it. Third animation is fade out slow. Now you have smooth text appearing, and now you need smooth text disappearing. For that, go to effects and find fade out slow. Then you just select your text, press U and add this effect here. Again press U and again. Now you see the keys and drag them.
What a masterpiece. Look at that. What a masterpiece. Look at that.
It looks very smooth and beautiful. Also don't forget about your first text. Select it, press U and make sure that it is fully appear. Then go to your another text. Watch when your animation starts and repeat it.
Oh, what a masterpiece. Look at that.
And it's ready. Another animation is opacity. This is very easy to make, but it looks not so cool like animations I showed you before, but sometimes it fits very good. To make it, just select your text, click T on your keyboard, click on clock near opacity, put 0, go few frames ahead, put 100,
Look at that.
and it's ready.
Look at that.
For disappearing, do the same steps. Put key here and go a few frames ahead and put 0.
Look at that.
And it's ready.
This is it.
Now when you have fade up and fade out animations, you can improve your text using scale animation. For that, select all your texts, click S on your keyboard and click on clock near the scale. Go to the end of your text or even further and put from 125 to 140. And it's ready.
Oh, what a masterpiece. Look at that. Oh, what a masterpiece. Look at that.
You can also fix the position if you want. Make more space between the texts.
Oh, what a masterpiece. Look at that.
And that's it. Now all you have it is decorate your text. For that, go to effects and find deep glow and add to your text layer. Then just repeat my settings. For radius put 250, for exposure put 0.5, for threshold smooth put 100, also put the tick here, for spread put 25, and for unmalt put the tick. Then you should add drop shadow. Go to effects, find drop shadow and add to a text layer. For the opacity put 100, for distance put 10 and for softness put 20. And that's it. Now you can select it, press Ctrl C, select your another text and click Ctrl V. Press Ctrl V. Also you can play with color for your text, double click your text and select whatever you want. Or you can play with these squares and make something like that, I don't know. And that's it. The next animation which I will show you is handwriting text. For this animation you should choose the font which is writing by hand, something like that. Then you just select pen tool or just click G on your keyboard, zoom in and choose full quality for preview and just circle the text. When you have done it, go to effects and find stroke, add to your text. For path, select all masks. For paint style, select reveal original image, and for brush size put 10. Then click on clock near end, put 0, go a few frames ahead and put 100. Then press U on your keyboard, select the keys, press F9 to easy them, go to graph settings, select speed graph and just play with graph. Put it as you like. And it's ready. The last animation which I will show you today is bleeding text. For this animation go to effects and find CC smear and add to a text layer. Then you should change position for from and for to. Do it like I do. Okay, now radius you can put whatever you want. And now you should animate reach. Click on clock near the reach, put 0, go a few frames ahead and animate it. Then press U on your keyboard, select the keys, press F9, go to graph settings, also choose speed graph and just play with graph. Oh, it's too fast. So also, okay. And that's it. To copy this animation, you should select your CC smear, press Ctrl D, then press U, and change position for keyframes, and also change position for from and for to. And you can also change the graphs. And that's it. Also, I should to mention that I am preparing new edit pack for you. It will contain small text effects, other stuff like smooth slow motions, zooms, color corrections and more. I'll try to make it better than my previous edit pack, and I am planning launch sales on the 1st of June. So I hope that you will like it. If this tutorial helped you to improve your textware edits, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel, and also share with your friends. Thanks for your attention, see you soon guys.